Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Getting close to Halloween time, it's rolling around, so we're gonna do something fun and a little spooky. Well, maybe not that spooky, but anyway, mix it up a little bit. We're gonna do a nice Halloween cocktail. We've got a super fun Halloween party coming up, and we're doing this one as one of our special drinks, so I thought I'd share it with you. This one we're calling Absinthe Minded. So we've got a little absinthe, we've got some anisette, a little club soda or some sparkling water of some sort, and some mint. Let's just roll right into it. So, of course, you got to have some fun with it. So, got some spooky fun glasses. And we're going to get started. Just going to start with a little ice. And then we've got a little we got some of our absinthe. And get a nice little shot of that. We've got some anisette, and you don't go too much on this, just a little splash of this. It winds up being a little sweet. And then some club soda or sparkling water. You got a preference, go ahead and do that one. And we'll give it a little quick shake. And then into our spooky skull glasses. Nice little sprig of mint in there. There you go. Absinthe Minded. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a safe and happy Halloween. Let us know what you think.